Hello there, welcome to another video on Nature Boy Z3. Today I'll be doing a kind of challenge. I consider it a challenge. But today I'm doing the it's supposed to be the Sprite challenge. It was popular like a year or two ago. I think it is still kind of popular. But it's 7-Up, it's similar, it's cherry 7-Up. So still has carbonation, still a soda. So yeah, let's get right into it. So basically you chug it and you try to do it without burping until, I think you can burp once you finish, but the goal is to not burp until the end, and it's really hard to do it with soda. Let's just go. Oh yeah, I'm feeling it. I didn't get that far along too. I should have done like a little like thing before to get me ready, but okay. I gotta breathe. Okay, let's go for another sip. Good sip. I need good sip. I'm about halfway or so. Close. I'm struggling. I'm feeling it bubbling up. Oh, I'm about at least 2/3. Oh my God. Oh, I can't. I couldn't do it. The pressure is too much. Oh my God, those were like 14 burps in a row. I couldn't, bro. It was too much. It felt like my stomach was about to explode. I hope I don't get nauseous. I lost already, but let's just do the rest of it. Oh. Oof. Oof. Oh. This is gross for some people. I've seen online. It doesn't really bother me much. I lost so badly. I've done this before, and I passed, but it's been like a year, so I'm rusty, so to speak. Yikey, dikey, wikey. I just want to finish this last sip without burping. Oh. I did not pass that. I think this trend was more like a year or two ago, but yeah. That's terrible. Oh. Why do I taste banana in this? Oh, why does it feel like there's another one coming? That was gross. Sorry, chat. Ugh. That was disgusting. That was watery. Oh, or soda-y. Kind of burp. Yeah, if you want to do another challenge, all I want you to do is hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. Thank you guys for watching this mildly gross video. My stomach feels very weird. Yeah, wish me luck. Until next time, peace out.